Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter Ecoboost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera of course. We do have a nice gripped running board, side view camera, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we have 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably, with this turning into your additional 6 seat. You got a 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs, cup holders, a nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, and you can always lift up the seats if you need more. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are mostly powered, with this being the only manual part. We do have the nice gray cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake, and lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 23.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here. Oh, come on. We do have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. And looking over here, you got cup holders, a nice little phone slot. This does open up for more storage. Your 6 additional seat, and you do get storage underneath as well. We got storage there, USB and USB-C, a nice little hook, 4-wheel drive, drive modes, and rear locking differential. You have your trailer disconnect, pro trailer backup, your dual climate, 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs. Clicking this, you get storage there as well as right there, storage above. You have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth, apps in general, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE37616, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.